Alright, I want you to pay attention to this clock because I'm getting ready to go fill an ATM machine. I'm going to go in it, I'm going to fill it, and I'm going to come back out. I want you to pay attention to the time, but I'm going to wait for it to switch so it's right on. There we go. I'll be right back. As I'm walking in here, I'm going to show you a little sign that you have right here. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so I took a little bit longer. What is it? 3 minutes? But I was talking to them and I gave them some checks, so it took me 3 minutes to go in and out. Actually, the time it'll take you to fill an ATM machine will be anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds. And the rest of that, 2 minutes or whatever, right, is talking to the business owner, chit-chat and things like that, which is kind of cool when you think about it. So let's just even say it was 5 minutes. Every ATM you have, it takes 5 minutes to go in and out. And again, it's not going up, but let's just say, like, you got 10 ATMs, that's 50 minutes. That's pretty cool, right? All right, I am actually off to the bank for right now. I want to stock up some money to fill some machines. So I just got done calling my bank. Clearly I'm driving, so I'm not going to look at you guys. But I just got done calling my bank. So what I do if I'm not coming there on a normal day or what have you, or I'm just kind of flipping my scripts that I normally don't use, I'll call them and give them a heads up, let them know I'm coming in, let them know how much money I need. They generally always have the money I need, right then and there. Or if not, they want me to give them a call because if they need to take it out of the timed vault, they want to go get it ahead of time so that by the time I get there, I don't have to wait while they wait for the timed vault, because I think it's like 15 minutes you gotta wait before you can get into the timed vault. But the money that I needed today was, it was a decent amount, but not amount that they would have to go into the timed vault. So that's a tip for you. Sometimes when you're gonna take out a lot of money, that on an unexpected day, like not your normal day, you might want to give your bank a heads up and give them a call. But after you've been working with your bank long enough and you get to know your ATMs and the cash that you take out every week, and they get to know that, generally they'll have your money for you every week. It's just like when you're going to switch things up, just give them a heads up. They really appreciate that. How could you not like Miss Anita Baker's voice, right? That's a great song. I love her version, and I like Tyrese's version as well. But I'm getting ready to show you guys how to get some free stuff when it comes to your ATM business. So when you're out filling machines, I'm going to show you how you can get some things for free. So stick with me for 1 second. I got to get through this light, all right? There we go. You see that? Wawa. Telling you guys that are on the West Coast, and some of you guys that are, not on the East Coast or what have you, you guys are missing out. Wawa, best convenience store ever. So I'm gonna show you something. What you want to do? All right. Now this doesn't have to necessarily be just from Wawa, but if you got a convenience store around you, right? I always stop here. I got my Wawas that I stop in because they got the best restrooms. But if you got a convenience store you go to, right? A lot of them have, here they are, like Wawa cards. Now I don't mean like credit cards, but I mean like, there you go, the Wawa app. See it? Hold on, let me go. They got like the app for your phone, right? So I put that on my phone, and when you use it, right, you get points, and then when you get enough points, they give you free stuff. All right, I'll be back. I gotta go to the bathroom, and then I gotta get on the road. Damn, guys, holds 250 grand. All right, that's when you get your water, get your whatever you need. I shouldn't eat this stuff, but I usually get cheese popcorn. And I'll tell you what I usually get. I try not to eat when I'm on the road, but they usually have a pepperoni one of these. They are the bomb, and it's a good snack. Alright guys, I'll be back. Hey, but so I'm back in the car now. But yeah, so when you, whatever convenience store you go to, I mean, not everyone is fortunate enough to have Wawas around. But but whatever one you go to, see if they have like a rewards program, and that way when you're out on the road, like normally it takes me a day to fill all my machines, but I'm splitting it up into 2 days just because I have stuff I want to get done for my students this week. So when you're normally on the road, of course, you know, you gotta get a bathroom. Sometimes you get hungry. You know, not everybody has a crazy way to eat like I do, even though you just see me cheating and grab a bag of popcorn. But when you're on the road, you know, you gotta go to the bathroom. Wawa, you can always count on Wawa to have a nice restroom. You know, and you get something to eat or you get something to drink. Use your Wawa app. They scan it, and then your rewards add up. And then they send you like free rewards, and then occasionally they'll send you like free bonus ones that have nothing to do with, you know, buying stuff, you know. And then you go use your reward, you get free shit, right? So what's better than free food and free drink and free snacks or whatever, like when you're on the road doing business. All right, so don't forget that tip. See if your convenience store has some kind of rewards program or an app that you could put on your phone to get you some free stuff. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you another tip real fast. So I was out filling ATMs, going to the bank, and you know, I keep all my mileage and what have you for the business. But here's a good tip for you. When you got non-business stuff that you want to do, and it's in between like going back and forth to filling ATMs or home, do the non-business stuff, because you're writing off the mileage anyway, so you get to write off mileage for personal stuff, in a sense, right? So hold on one second, I'll show you where I'm going. Actually, I'll show you right now. It's a Hallmark store. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on one second. So 2 things are happening here, guys. Number 1, my wife's birthday is coming up, but she's gonna be away on her birthday. And whenever she goes away, I sneak some cards into her luggage. And if I go away, she does the same to me. So we should actually buy stock in Hallmark. But that's what we do. And that's what I'm gonna do, is I gotta get her a birthday card. And then I have to get her, I usually get her either 1 or 2 cards for each day while she's gone. But that's what I mean by, you know, this is on the path to where I'm going already, so might as well write it off with the business miles, right? So it's kind of incorporated into what I'm already doing, right? It's not like I make a separate entry or anything. I'm already on my way home from the bank, so this is included. Let's see here. And I'm lucky because I don't think she watches my Facebook videos.
All right. They're like, could be addicted.
So I think I'm alright there. But there you go. There's a non-ATM business tip for you fellas. You know, buy lots of cards and surprise her. All right, guys, I gotta pick some cards out, so I'll be back shortly. Got my bag full of cards. Now we're on the way back to the car. I'm actually done today with ATMs. Got a quick video I want to do for my students, but here we go. We got 4 cards. Was it 4? I think it was 4. 2 for her birthday, 1 for the day before, 1 for the day after. But I'll talk to you guys soon. Alright guys, so right now I'm on my way to physical therapy. I only have, I think, next week left and I'm done. My elbow is not hurting anymore. It's just needs some strength training. But after physical therapy, we will continue filling ATMs. Remember, I broke it into 2 days, yesterday and today, because I had some stuff I wanted to do for my students, which I got that done yesterday. And then later tonight, me and the wife here are gonna go on date night again. Let's take a look at this clock here. So it's February 22nd, 1:09 p.m. I'm about to go and fill some more machines, and then I'll be done for the week. Actually, yeah, I was gonna say I'm gonna fill one of them tomorrow because I'll do it on the way to my mom's because it's on the way, but it's gonna be on the way to another machine that I'm filling today too, so I'll just get it done today. So February 22nd, 1:10 p.m. I'm about ready. This is day 2 of filling ATMs. Remember I told you I filled some yesterday. I want to break it in 2 days so I can do some stuff for my students. I got that done yesterday though, so I'm gonna fill some more today, and then we're pretty much done for the week. Not everybody needs to be filled, but off we go. And this is actually how you spend your day when you're filling machines. Just driving on almost an empty road, listen to music, listen to audiobooks, and that's it, man. Just enjoy yourself on the road on the way to the locations. You guys just got to the first spot. This location, let me turn this down. At this location, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 spots that we fill, like in a couple mile radius. So I'll be back and show you when I'm done all these 4 locations what time it is. So it's 1:40. So I'm done 1, 2, 3, 4 machines now. 3 of them are like right there, and then 1 I gotta jump in my car and then run to, but it's not that far. Now we're off to 1 more, and then we're gonna go fill the strip club. While I might not like this song that's on the radio, I just want to let you know, if you did not grow up in the 80s and you missed out on 80s music, you really did miss out. You missed out on like the best music ever, right? Anyway, so I'm at the next spot. Let's wait till the clock turns to 2:45, and then I'm gonna hop in there. And then when I come back, I'm going to tell you why I'm showing you my time every time. Hang on 1 second. Come on, any second now, hopefully. My arm's getting tired. There we go. I'll be back. There we go. 2:47. Alright. So, the reason why I'm showing you the time every time I do this is because I want to give you a good idea of timing, obviously. I mean, who wants to take a guess of where I'm walking into right now? Recycle. There you go, baby. Wawa. I'm telling you. Find your convenience store. Make sure they have a rewards app. I'm getting ready to go to the bathroom and get ready to do what I need to do on the way to the strip club. I'll finish what I was saying. I got a question. You know how a lot of these stations are not playing R. Kelly anymore because of that documentary that came out? Which I don't know why. I don't know why this is news. Now everybody knows he's been a perv all these years. But anyway, if they're not playing R. Kelly, I wonder, are they going to not play songs that he's on? Like, for instance, this one? You know what I'm saying? That's a question I'm pondering. Alright guys, so you want to, I'm not going to really look at you obviously because I'm driving, and this is probably not even the best what do you call it, angle. You get to see like my 5 million chins and what have you. Oh, by the way, I totally got some cheese popcorn again. I am being so bad with self-control and personal responsibility with weight loss the past couple of days. And I'm so horrible that I'm actually making horrible excuses and justifications like, normal people do for other shit. And my excuse, you want to hear my excuses? And it's a horrible excuse, but this is what it is. I got a date with my mom tomorrow. A mommy-daughter date tomorrow, and we're going to watch all of the Friday the 13th movies. And I know that when I have a date with my mommy, I know that I'm not going to eat the best, so I'm like, you know what, fuck it. That's my excuse. So bad. So bad, but whatever, it is what it is. Anyway, the reason you want to pay attention to the time that I'm sharing with you is so you really understand that the majority of the time that you spend in your ATM business is driving, right? Driving and listening to your music, listening to your audiobooks, all that kind of good stuff. Because the act of filling the machine is fast, right? It's literally 30 to 60 seconds. Then, you know, you walking in and out, going to the bathroom, talking to the business owners, whatever, you know what I mean? But filling the machine is easy peasy. So you want to just be conscious of that, and you want to pay attention to your placements, because you don't want to be driving, like, I'm on my way to the strip club, and it takes a good hour or so to get there. If this was a location that made $300 a month, there's no way that I keep this location, right? It's because the strip club does over $1,000 every single month. Except I would say the time it gets maybe under $1,000 is in the summertime. It doesn't do as great in the summer when everybody's on, you know, family vacations and shit, you know. But besides that, you know, it's over $1,000 every single month. So I don't mind driving the hour, you know what I mean? And so, but you just really want to be conscious and don't be driving all over creation, right? That's a tip for you, you know? Like, you know how the last spot I had, there was like 4 ATMs in like one little area? That's ideal, okay? All right, I'll come back on once I'm there. Just got here, 402. You see that's the furthest one, right? We're at the strip club now. You didn't really think I was gonna take you to see some naked women, did you? Get out of here. Go pay the cover charge. There's nobody here though, really, guys. They're not open yet. All right. Hang tight. I don't know if I gotta figure out how to hold you guys. Hold on. See it better when Kathy's with me. I can't do it when I'm by myself. I only got one functional arm. Okay, so I just left the strip club. Clearly you can see I was there for a while, right? I'm gonna tell you why in a second. Hold up. This is the cool part about the ATM business. Like, you'll make friends with these business owners. Like, they'll become friends, you know? And, you know, the owner happened to be there, which I was surprised. But whenever we're together, it's nonstop yapping, talk. So my wife always knows that I'm going to be extra long if he's there, because we're always talking. And clearly he was there, and we got to talking, and then, you know, I'm just leaving now. My wife is going to be hot because we are going on a date tonight, and I was filling the strip club while she was getting her nails done. And I told her I was gonna be I told her I was at the strip club a while ago, so she's used to this by now though. When it comes to him, she's gonna be like, oh, I know Steve was there, which would be an accurate statement. So hopefully you learned some more tips in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click that ATM right there that you see, and don't forget to like this video. And if you got any questions, post them below, or of course, if you would like me to make another video and you got an idea about it, post that below too. All right, subscribe, like, and ask any questions you got below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income. And of course, if you'd like to learn more about the ATM business, ATMbusinessblueprint.com. I'll talk to you guys soon.